Want remember the old time saying, where say cock mouth kill cock? It means you're not for boast or talk out of turn. On Sunday Night Live, this Sunday, we'll be talking about the courts granting injunction against Portmore becoming a parish. DJ Khaled, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer link up to create new music after 15 years. Good times at 4 at 8 p.m. right after the uploads. So make it a date, don't be late, 8 p.m. right on Expressions JA's YouTube channel. See you on Sunday.
Trevor, what happened to you? You go through something?
I just want to talk to you.
And you bring me all the way out here, so? You look like I get you want to get rid of my body.
You know, easy, you know. Why me not really want that?
I don't know. Maybe all of the things that you go through with your baby mother, them, you think say, you have to just put me in the bag and just throw me away too.
Camille, nothing like that. You're supposed to know what to say. May I make some changes, right? And I for better my life. And them things them I want to talk to you about. You understand?
I said the changes for true. I see it right, sir?
Yeah, man. This is necessary, you know, but I know that more I want to talk to you about.
Yeah, make me feel afraid now. I want.
So the other day when Bartender forward down a call down, on the name Alfred, our numbers, and me him come
Page? No, man. That sound like you're in something.
Me and him not really in a nothing, you know. Somebody who used to work with me, or work for me. Yeah.
What kind of work, Trevor? This I get serious now.
Remember say, me did in the weed runnings. You understand? And the man them what them used to do is when me send them go deal with my business, them go deal with it. But other than that, them go up on the road and bother up other people and take away for them weed. You understand? And I saw Fiend brother get shot. Me never know nothing about this.
So I revenge him come back for Trevor?
Not in so many words, but him make me know say him brother medical fee come up to $1 million. And I mean want to pay that.
Oh! So him come for extort you or blackmail you. It now go work.
Yes. The reason why I tell them things, I don't want no more secret between me and you. I don't want nothing from in my past to come haunt me and hurt you and Camille. You understand?
I appreciate you telling me, but what we are going to do about the situation? Because you realize you just pop up down a corridor. And that's why I tell you, say, babe, the place cannot be open like that. We'll have to get the security team.
Yeah, I work on it. I talk to a company and I wait for a response.
Alright, that sounds good. But what is the situation with him now? When the last time you see him, I talked to him.